We've just made a tree with a little bird's nest and some little birds. So all you'll need for this craft is some coloured paper, a pair of scissors, some feathers, and a happy little toddler. So first of all, you want to get 2 pieces of paper, put them together and draw a shape like this. Cut them out and glue around the edges. This will form the bird's nest. And we will put the birds inside of the nest.
I want a boat.
Then you want to cut out little bird shapes on another piece of paper in a different colour. Cut them out and stick some feathers on them. We're going to put the birds inside the nest.
Birds inside the nest.
We also made some little eggs
to
learn that birds come from eggs.
That birds come in eggs.
So put them in the nest, Jasmine. So she's putting the little eggs in the nest, and she's putting the baby birds and the mummy bird in the nest. Stick them up like this so you can see them. And the mummy bird. So here we have our nest with our little birds in it. And we made a tree. We're just going to stick the nest on the tree. So there we have a tree with a nest and little birds. Do you like it, Jasmine?
Yes.
So what happens to the eggs, Jasmine?
The eggs become babies.
Baby birds come from eggs. Enjoy.